Hi guys, how are you doing today? In this video, we'll be learning how to solve quadratic equations when the leading coefficient is more than 1. Here we have the leading coefficient to be 2. Okay, the leading coefficient of the x squared is 2, the coefficient of x is 7, and the constant is 0. And the constant. Hi guys, welcome. How are you doing today? In this video, we are going to solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. Please stay tuned and enjoy. If you look at the board, we have a quadratic equation where the leading coefficient is more than 1. The leading coefficient of the x squared here is 2. And we have the coefficient of x to be 7 plus the constant c is equal to 0. For us to factorize this type of quadratic equation, all we have to do is to multiply the coefficient to the last term. First, if you multiply the coefficient to the last term, what are you getting? You are going to get 2 times 6 is giving you 12. Okay? So think of two numbers that once you multiply them together, you are going to get a plus 12. And if you add them together, you are going to get the middle term, 7. If you look at the number, when you multiply 2 to 6, you are going to get the 12. But if you add 2 to 6, you can't get 7, you get 8. So 2 and 6 is not the needed factor. But if you multiply 3 and 4 together, you still get 12. But if you add 3 and 4 together, you are going to get 7. So 3 and 4 is the perfect match for this. So you have a factor 3 and 4. So open two brackets that multiplies itself and equates it to what? 0. So the next thing you think is just look at the variable x squared. What multiplies to give x squared is x and x. So x and x multiplies to give x squared. But if you look at the factor, we have 3 and 4 now. So all the 3 and 4 add 3 plus 4. Okay? So the next thing you are going to do is go to the leading coefficient 2. Divide each of the factors by the leading coefficient 2. Okay? Then observe that when two brackets multiplies itself to get 0, either one of them is 0 or both of them are zeros. In that case, you'll have it that x plus 3 over 2 is equal to 0, or x plus, when you divide 4 by 2, you have 2, is equal to 0. So when this is equals to 0, for you to get the first value of x, you simply minus 3 over 2 from both sides. And that gives you that x is equal to minus 3 over 2. And minus 3 over 2 in a mixed fraction way is just minus 1 whole 1 over 2. Or you say that when x plus 2 is equals to 0, that means that x is equal to what? Minus 2, when plus 2 crosses the equality sign. And these are the two possible solutions for x. Bye-bye.